Hi, this is JJ from Paranormal Talks. So I just created and posted some videos on what's coming up for us in 2021 and beyond, and also what has happened to us since 2017. To give you perspective. Perspective is very good, it's very important. But this video, most of all, what I want to do is, well, first of all, thank you for joining this channel. I'm here to teach you divination tools and other ancient tools to help you more successfully navigate your life. I know it's difficult in the Western world, in America, since we're programmed from birth, from grade school, in our government schools, to avoid this stuff and to view it as crazy and a bunch of woo-woo nonsense. And unfortunately, it seems to really get to men more than women, because men really have to support their family. So they really need to be in the material to do that. But these are tools that can help you navigate more successfully. So with saying that, I want to show you four things that tie these together. Now, we're hearing a lot about what's coming up for us with the Trump administration and our country in particular. It's impacting the whole world very seriously, but let's just stick to our little world. Many things are happening and the dots are connected very, very solidly. And I want to show you some of those data points so you know that one individual or maybe two individuals are not just pulling this out of the air, that it's actually coming from real places. So one of the divination tools is tarot cards, also astrology, and then a couple other sites. I also like to use technology sites, quantum computer system technology sites, because by the way, astrology is based on numbers and computer programs are based on numbers. And both of those have a high predictive track record. Let's take a look at some of those. Okay, so this is the cover from the Economist magazine that I showed you, and we went through it from the year 2017 all the way through to 2024. And I'm the one who put these numbers in here for ease of speaking to each one of these major arcana cards, 2017, 2018, because hindsight is 2020. We now understand better what each one of these cards represents now that we are in 2021. Go figure, that's how it works, isn't it? But let me show you some of the websites. Oh, well, this is our website, Paranormal Talks. There it is. If you want to know more about me, just click on About Us, and there it is. Okay, I want to show you three sites now that tie together what we know from the tarot cards as shown on the Economist magazine. One of those is astrology, and this is Joseph Anthony, Unlimited Potential. And you may want to look at this video, which is posted 3 weeks ago, which is Pisces 2021 Astrology Overview, Astrologer. As far as what's coming up for us, this is very good. But none of these sources stand alone. Each one of those is connected to another piece, not of the puzzle, but a bunch of information that is similar to what you heard before, but in a different modality. So this is very good of what's coming up for us. Let's look at this one. The Socrates quantum computer system. I mentioned this a lot. This is from Armstrong Economics. He was killed or almost killed when he was put in jail so that Goldman Sachs could steal the source code for this quantum computer system, which Martin Armstrong has named Socrates. So he paid a very high price for this. The accuracy rate on this is 90%, 90 to 100%, depending on how you may interpret it, but very, very high accuracy rate as far as what's coming up for us. I referred to this a lot, and it has been right on, very consistent, including the astrology. And then the other site, this is Bards of War. These guys who have these types of channels, these truthful news channels, many of them, and I listen to many of them, they come from a military / government / military intelligence / intelligence analyst positions in the government. And I found these sites to be very accurate as well, as far as events that are coming up for the world, but particularly the United States right now. So you want to take a look at Bard's FM. He has interviews from people who really, from men, usually men who know what's going on in your country, America, right now. Let me point out one interview that you may want to look at, that you may want to listen to, that gives you an overview of what has happened to our country, America, from its first establishment in 1776 unto the current time frame. And it's this video right here, Bards FM, by and for the people. By and for the people. Stop running in circles and wasting your time because we can spend hours running in circles in a panic with a hair on fire and never getting it. We'll spend one simple hour, bite the bullet. You can do it here. And it was created and posted on January 19. So the title of that is By and For the People. Come on, people, get a clue. It is out there for us if you just calm down and listen to this stuff, because running around at 10-minute videos, 15-minute videos, it's not going to do it for you. Okay, just so you know. All right. So I wanted to tie together with the Economist magazine analysis that I conducted in the other videos. And I wanted to tie it to those other source websites of information, true, accurate information, because you need it now. You really need it now. All of us do. So take a listen to those and just know what's going on in your life. We can make it. All right, because that's what I want for you. That's what I want for all of us. That's why this is an educational woo-woo channel, because you're not getting the real information or education from your traditional mainstream schools and sources, are you? That's why you're probably listening to this channel, because you're just not getting it unless you go outside your traditional little box. Okay, it's okay to get outside the box. So this is JJ from Paranormal Talks, and we will be talking to you later. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.